Hello friends, welcome to the show once again. Well, today I am going to explain you how exactly to do a simple Ivy gourd fry. So let us look into the ingredients which are required for this simple recipe. Ingredients required for the Ivy gourd fry: sufficient mustard seeds and cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, sufficient salt, 6 green chilli, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons of sesame powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, sufficient curry leaves, 1 onion, sufficient oil, sufficient coriander leaves, and finally 250 grams of Ivy gourd pieces. Now let us learn how exactly to do a simple Ivy gourd fry. So friends, initially heat the pan and put the stove in high flame. Well, once the pan is heated, now add the sufficient oil. Now once the oil is heated, put the stove in low flame, add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Okay, and allow them to pop up nicely. Well, once they are popped up nicely, add the green chilli and onion. Put the stove in low flame and try to mix it properly in the oil. Okay. Well, the green chilli should change into the color of brownish white, which is the indication of fryness. Okay. Allow for 1 minute so that the green chilli and onions should become soft, or you can say they should be fried properly. So allow for 1 minute in low flame. After completion of 1 minute, add curry leaves. Okay, mix them properly so that everything should become oily. Make sure that the oil should reach to the every corner of the ingredients present in the pan. Okay. So once again allow for 1 more minute in low flame. After completion of 1 minute, now add the turmeric powder and also ginger garlic paste. Okay. So try to mix it properly so that the paste should be distributed evenly and nicely. Well, the reason why we are adding the turmeric powder is simply because it just kills the bacteria and germs if there are any. Okay. So allow for 1 more minute in low flame. So friends, after completion of 1 minute, now add the coriander leaves. Mix it in the oil properly. Okay. Now add the Ivy gourd pieces. Okay. So mix it thoroughly so that the oil reaches to the every corner of the Ivy gourd pieces. The pieces should become oily. You can see how nicely it is becoming oily. Everything should be integrated nicely and evenly with each other. Okay. So mix it for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Now allow for at least 5 to 6 minutes in low flame or medium flame. Well friends, in between, like after completion of 2 or 3 minutes, try to mix it properly once again. Okay, put the stove in low flame. Now try to add the sesame powder and sufficient salt. Okay, this is the sesame powder, which is of 2 spoons, and sufficient salt. Mix them thoroughly so that the everything should be integrated evenly and nicely. Okay, mix for at least for 15 seconds. The salt should reach the every corner of the ivy gourd pieces. Okay, so now allow for the remaining period of time, which is of 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, in low flame or in medium flame. Well, once again, in between, after completion of 2 minutes, try to mix it properly. Okay, you can see how nicely and slowly the fry is getting into a beautiful shape, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so allow for the remaining period of time, which is of 2 minutes in low flame. Okay, so friends, after completion of final 2 or 3 minutes, you can see how nicely everything has come close to each other. Okay, try to mix it properly. You can see everything has gone pretty well. I mean, everything has become very soft. Okay, you can just smell the flavor of the ivy gourd pieces. Well, this is the fry which will be fantastic for the rotis or chapatis. So finally add the 1 pinch or 2 pinches of coriander powder. Okay, so mix it once again very slowly, so that the flavor of the coriander powder should reach the every corner of the ingredients present in the pan. Okay, mix it for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so allow for the final 1 minute in low flame. Well folks, after completion of final 1 minute, you can see we are absolutely done with the frying. Okay, so take it into the bowl very carefully. So friends, here is the hot and delicious simple ivy gourd fry is absolutely ready. So hope you have enjoyed this video and understood how exactly to do this simple recipe. So meet you in the next video. Right now, goodbye.